Hi, this is Eva Alexander, and I'm going to be talking about my town, Denville, New Jersey. It has about a population of 16,635 people around there, but it's not exact. And it's a small town, and I live exactly 45 to an hour away from New York City. So, some history about my town is it formed as a township because of the Act of New Jersey legislator from portions of Rockaway Township. And Rockaway Township and Denville Township are two different things, but we both went to the same high school. Lenape Native Americans traveled the Minnesink Trail to New Jersey, and the trail cut across southern Denville by Route 10. And my house is actually across Route 10. It's right next to it. And the other side of Denville is actually pretty far from Route 10. The Dutch and English settlers arrived in the early 17th century to travel and explore the trail that the Lenape Native Americans formed before they arrived. Daniel Denton led the expedition to northern New Jersey and wrote the first English description of the area. So he practically told us what is in Denville and when it came about. The den in Denville is contributed with wild animals in swampy regions along the Den Brook and Rockaway River. So the Lenape, native Lenape people hunted those animals so they can get food and survive. Denville has 11 named bodies of water, including Cedar Lake, Indian Lake, and Rock Ridge. So Cedar Lake is where my best friend lives, so I usually go there a lot. But Indian Lake is closer to me, even though I don't live in the lake community. The game American flag rugby was first played in Denville, and now rugby in my town is actually growing and more people are beginning to play. Some famous people in my town are Danielle Jonas. She was born and raised in Denville, New Jersey, and I actually have been to her house and I know where it is, and it's a really nice house. And she's married to Joe Jonas and stars in series Married to Jonas, and she actually talks about her life and why she married him. And Jermaine Illuminer was a British American football offensive tackle for the Baltimore Ravens in the NFL, and he recently actually was a part of the NFL. And my sister actually went to high school with him, so she knows him really well. And Ashley Rose Orr was born in Denville, New Jersey, and she actually starred in the Broadway musicals The Sound of Music and Les Miserables. And I saw The Sound of Music before, and I did not know that she was one of the main characters in it. And that's a little bit about my hometown.